Today at Wilwood Disc Brakes, we're going to show you how easy it can be to upgrade your Honda Element brake pads to our Performance ProMatrix brake pads. With the vehicle properly secured and the wheels removed, we suggest taking some photos of the current setup for reference if needed. Here's the 2004 Honda Element we are going to install the pads on. Remove the two caliper mounting bolts. Slide the caliper off the rotor and hang the caliper out of the work area without putting pressure on the brake line. Remove OEM pads and wear tabs. Using a wire brush, clean the mounting surfaces for the new wear tabs. Always inspect your rotors for uneven surface and thickness during any pad replacement, according to manufacturer's specifications. Grooved rotors can damage new pads. Machine if possible, or replace with new rotors. Install the provided wear tabs. Apply anti-seize grease to the brake pad tabs. Install the new brake pads with the friction material facing the rotor. When retracting the pads, make sure there's enough room in the master cylinder reservoir for the fluid that will be pushed back to prevent overflow. Using a Caliper piston compression tool, compress the pistons. Remove the old wear tab from the caliper. Install the new wear tab in the caliper. Slide the caliper over the rotor. Using Loctite thread locker, reinstall the caliper mounting bolts and torque to manufacturer's specifications. Be sure to follow our bedding guidelines to bed your new pads in. Contact a professional if you encounter any difficulties or have any doubts or any questions.